Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is NYX and this is my first ever YouTube video. I am super excited that I am finally doing this because I've been wanting to do this for the very longest time, and I'm just happy that I'm able to sit here and finally do it. Anyways, this channel is going to be all about makeup. There's nothing else. It's just makeup. I love makeup so much, and I thought it'd be really cool to come here and show you guys everything that I know about makeup. So let's just get right into the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this purpley look, starting from the eyes, the face, everything, literally. And this little gem things that are going on here is what the e-girls are doing now, so why not? So basically, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so I went off camera and I did my brows already because it takes me so long to do them. Anyways, we're gonna go into the eye look straight up. I'm gonna start off with a primer. Today I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. You need to make sure that your base is 100% blended because that is the foundation of your look. Okay, so you have to make sure that it is 100% blended. Okay, after this is done, I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow palette. Today I'm gonna be using this Beauty Glazed Sunset Dusk shadow palette, and I'm gonna be starting with this volcano shade that is in here. I'm just gonna be applying that to all of my crease area. You can see I'm just gently tapping that. This volcano shade is like a brownish red. Next, I'm gonna go in with this single Morphe eyeshadow in Blackberry, I believe. And then I'm gonna be taking a small brush because we want this concentrated at some parts of our eyes, you'll see. Now I'm taking the Blackberry eyeshadow and I'm putting that in my crease. I don't know why this color looks red looks like purple today, but we don't mind it because like we're going for a purple look anyways. But you just on the palette it looks like it is a brick red, not brick red, it looks like a darker brick red. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what it is on the palette, and every other day that I've been using this, that's what it looks like. But today I don't know why it looks like that. My brush is clean as I don't know why it looks like that, but we move. So we're gonna be putting that in this area of my eyes just to create a crease. After that is done, I'm gonna go back into that brick red shade. Why the hell does it look purple today? What the fudge? Okay, I think the brick red thingy is coming out. I don't know. I love how these shadows are just going smoothly and making everything so super. After that is done, to make sure that the edges are properly blended out, I'm just gonna go in with an empty brush with absolutely nothing on it. I'm just gonna blend out the edges like this, and then next I'm gonna go in and cut the crease. Why did I just put it in air quotes? I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease, but why I put it in air quotes initially is because we're not going to be doing an exact cut crease. We're going to be going in with this same pencil that we used earlier, and we're going to just cut the crease. Now we're going to go back in and blend this that we just put in there. Now because of the purple eyeshadow that we already applied earlier, the Jumbo eye pencil is just turning white to like lilac. We're gonna go in with this white shade from the same Sunset Dusk eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna be applying that everywhere on everywhere that looks lilac now, basically. Now I'm gonna go in and blend out this part of my eye, the crease, and we're basically blending out the purple and the white. Next we're going to be going into this Yanga Beauty liquid liner, and I'm just going to be creasing a wing. Next I'm going to go into this Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Drama Lash Mascara. I'm just combing my lashes out of the way. I'm gonna go off camera and do the other eye and add some falsies, and then I'll be right back. And now that the eye look is done, we're gonna go straight into the face. We're gonna be using the Nuban Beauty mattifying makeup base. Next I'm gonna go in with a powder. This is a little trick that I learned from Jackie Aina. I'm just gonna be putting that everywhere. She always uses a makeup sponge to apply, but I've noticed that it really doesn't matter what you use to apply, to be freaking honest. Anyways, the point of this is to mattify your face even further. Okay, so it doesn't really exactly matter if you use a brush or you use a sponge. And then one major tip to know about this little pro tip on a pro tip. You should always use a translucent powder, because if you use like foundation powder or you use some other really cakey powder, you could end up with like cakey foundation, and we don't want that now, do we? Anyways, this is the Inner Beauty makeup sponge. I really like what it feels like. This is my first time using it, and I really like what it feels like. It's super soft. Almost reminds me of the Real Technique sponge. So if you know what the Real Technique sponge feels like, this is it. I mean, this is not it, but it feels like it. We're going in with our foundation. Today we're going to be using the Nuban Beauty In My Skin foundation. That was like 4 taps. Wow. I am very impressed with this foundation. It is a Nigerian brand, and honestly, I bought this and then I was thinking, man, I just hope it works, man, because like, I mean, I'd been seeing ads on Instagram and everything, but I didn't exactly, you know, expect it to work this flawlessly. Y'all can see that it is my exact shade. Okay, probably not with my hand, but like my exact shade that I wanted to be, and the coverage is 100%. I promise you. You saw like what my face looked like before this. I had all the acne spots and whatnots, but this covered it, and this is one layer of foundation. So next, what we're gonna be doing is a little trick that I learned from Makeup Mario. We're gonna be spraying on our face with a setting spray. Today we're gonna be using this continuous mist setting spray by Morphe, and I'm just gonna spray that. Into my face. It smells, I like what it smells like. I mean, it doesn't smell like good like perfume, but like I like what it smells like. Go in and just, you know, pat that into my face. And now what this does is it makes your face look like skin. Already my face already looks like skin because of the foundation that is, but like this just makes you look a lot better. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see it. I see. Oh my god. Next, we're gonna be going into concealer. We're gonna conceal under our eyes to cover up all this. Oh, and by the way, we're using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Putting this on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, some mustache. Y'all, you have to blend and blend and blend so your makeup just stays pretty. So next, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my RCMA no color powder, and I'm going to be applying that to the areas that I have applied concealer. Now that my entire face has been blended, I'm going to be going in with my Zaron face definer. I'm just going to be putting that on my cheekbones to, you know, bring some shape into my face with this. Next, I'm going to go in and apply some blush. I'm actually not going to be using blush today, but I'm going to be using this eyeshadow from the same eyeshadow palette that we used earlier. I'm going to be using this pink shade. I always use this on my face as blush. Did I apply too much? Yes, because we're going to fix this. I'm going to fix it. Fix it. Just to put a little pop in the inner corner of my eyes. Anyways, we're going to be going in with this regular ass eyeliner, lip liner actually, and I'm going to just lightly line my lip. And then next, I'm going to be using this NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. And then next, I'm going to go in with this regular lip gloss, and I'm just going to apply that to my lip. So I'm going to be using the same inner corner. Oh, I'm pretty sure I didn't mention it. It is from a eyeshadow palette that I got off of AliExpress. The name is Ucanbe Emancipation. It looks something like this, and it is the first shade in the palette. It is a white shade that turns to this color. This palette is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette in, I believe, Subculture. Yeah, Subculture. So if you don't have the coins for the Subculture, you can just go ahead and buy this baby. I mean, like, don't expect the same quality, okay? Don't expect the same quality. It's not in any way the same at all. But I still like it. I mean, I could still work with it. I've never used this as a highlighter before, but I love it. I love it so much, you guys. And then there's something that e-girls are doing now, and I think, like, I'm super tempted to do it. Okay, I'll do it. And that completes the look for today's video. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you do have any comments whatsoever, please leave it in the comment section, and then I'll reply to it as soon as I can. So subscribe, click on the notification bell so you can see when I upload other videos, because I will be uploading. Okay, I don't know when or days of the week I'll be uploading, but I know that I will be uploading, and I really want you guys to come back. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. So peace out. I lost 2 nails. 2 nails.